From the BOM build view, you can add assembly records, which are the headings on a bills of materials, and you could add the components that go into the sub-assemblies, which are materials items. And then to choose materials items, you would choose the type of items using the filter inventory list. So for instance, if I just wanted to show all vitamins, I would filter the list by vitamins. And then as I add subassembly components, I would choose from the vitamins in the inventory database. And then to make the subassemblies expand and contract in the bill of materials view is all based on having an assembly ID and which inventory items fall under that assembly ID. And then when you choose an inventory item, it automatically brings over the inventory name, the unit cost, and you can enter the quantities you need for each materials item in the bills of materials, and then that quantity multiplies by the run quantity, the job run quantity, to give you a run quantity for the materials item. And then the last two fields on the right here are for the BOM level and the sort of the bill of materials. The bill of materials in this list sort using the sort field. So for instance, if I change this 3 to a 5, you'll then see this whole wheat flour drop underneath whole wheat oats materials item. And the level for the BOM is the indentation in the BOM view. So you can see all of the grain ingredients have a level of 2, and all of the sugar ingredients have a level of 3, and all the vitamin ingredients have a level of 4. And then when we navigate over to the bill of materials view, you can see the indentation for the bill of materials records, where the level 1 is at the first indentation, the level 2 is at the second indentation, and the level 3 is at the third indentation.